Welcome to Tutorials by David, everyone. Today we'll be having a quick review of the Noviqo Anti-Wrinkle Collagen Renewal. Is it a real skincare or is it just another scam? So we're taking a close look at the Noviqo Anti-Wrinkle Collagen Renewal to see whether it's a legit skincare breakthrough or just another overhyped promise. So on paper, Noviqo claims to use a nanosilk freeze-dried collagen system that penetrates deep and reverses fine lines, dark spots, and signs of aging. But so far, there's no credible clinical data or peer-reviewed study supporting those claims, and independent testing is lacking. In fact, several watchdogs and flag red flags, the brand leans heavily on scripted testimonials and vague money back guarantees that past users say are hard to redeem. So, this information is from malware tips. Also, dermatologists often point out that the collagen molecules are too large to truly penetrate the skin barrier, so topical collagen mostly acts as a moisturizer at best. In online forums, others report never receiving their order at all or having to fight to get refunds. So while the packaging and claims are tempting, at this point, Novico looks more like a high-risk gamble than a scientific-backed skincare solution. So you must use it with caution, but I suggest you not to use it at all since from the information that I have said, it is truly a scam.